Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Saturday the 8th of November, with a quick look ahead at Sunday's forecast too. Starting with tomorrow's weather map, we can see a cold front moving across eastern parts of the country. That's likely to drive significant areas of showers and thunderstorms through the east, particularly impacting New South Wales tomorrow. We do have areas of showers and storms pushing up across Queensland and much of northern Australia as well, but the risk of severe storms isn't as high in those areas as it is compared to New South Wales. Further south, we've got more settled conditions on the way for Western Australia and South Australia, but in general conditions will be very cool, much cooler than average for this time of year. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. So milder than average conditions across much of eastern Queensland tomorrow, tending cooler than average further inland. We're likely to see fairly settled weather along the coast, just a few showers continuing about the northeast tropical coast. However, we've got areas of showers and storms moving in from the west associated with this low pressure trough here. They'll impact the far northwest of the state, central areas and southern inland parts as well. In fact, we could even see some severe storms across parts of the southern Darling Downs and Granite Belt. Moderate rainfall is possible across the southern inland and the far northwest. Those storms may reach the southeast coast late tomorrow evening, if not in the overnight period into Sunday morning. Now for Brisbane tomorrow, we're looking at a shower or two on the forecast and a top of 31 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, our cold front will move through those central and eastern areas, bringing a strong southerly wind change and also widespread showers and thunderstorms to most eastern areas, with a particular focus through the northeast and that east central coast. We may see severe thunderstorms as well, bringing damaging wind gusts, large hail and possibly heavy rainfall, with that risk most likely across the Hunter and mid-north coast. Now, we have issued a dedicated severe weather update video for this stormy weather tomorrow, so you can find all the details around that in our other video. Otherwise, across New South Wales, inland areas are in for a more settled day, a little bit more sunshine and some drier conditions there, but it will be cooler than average. Now for Sydney tomorrow, a warm day, a top of 32 degrees with a few showers and a possible thunderstorm on the forecast. Down in Canberra, 26 degrees with a few showers on the way there too. In Victoria tomorrow, a cool and showery day, particularly on and south of the ranges, with those showers tending to rain across Gippsland and eastern parts of Melbourne. We could see another 15 to 30 millimetres in those areas tomorrow, likely more through Gippsland, which could lead to some river rises in those parts. Now temperatures are going to be well below average as well. You can see Melbourne's in for a rainy day with a top of just 13 degrees, but cooler winds may make the feels like temperature even lower. So whatever you've got planned for your Saturday, make sure you've got a jacket and umbrella at hand. For Tasmania tomorrow, we're looking at cool and mostly cloudy conditions across the state. Areas of rain across the north and northeast early on, starting to ease back through the day. For Hobart tomorrow, a cloudy day is on the way with a top of 15 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, we are looking at temperatures well below average throughout the state. That's not just in the south, where we're going to see a little bit more cloud and a few coastal showers, but also across those sunnier, drier inland areas. Now for Adelaide, we're heading for a top of 18 degrees. For Pageant Day, it will be fairly cloudy, but the chance of showers is mainly going to be in the early morning. For Western Australia tomorrow, generally dry and sunny weather across much of those central and southern areas, but we could see a few showers continuing through the morning about the south coast there. But we will see a developing west coast trough, which is going to start increasing the temperatures through those western districts. You can see Perth is in for a warmer day tomorrow, a top of 28 degrees with sunny skies expected. For the Northern Territory tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms are on the forecast for most areas, with the exception of the far south and southwest there. Now, we could see some moderate rainfall totals across parts of the western top end, the Gregory and Carpentaria districts, and the Barkly district too. For Darwin, we are heading for a top of 34 degrees with a possible shower or rumble of thunder on the way. Now taking a quick look at Sunday's forecast. Our cold front in the east is going to move offshore, taking most of those storms with it, so a much more settled day is on the way for New South Wales and Victoria. We will see showers and storms continuing through parts of eastern Queensland, however, pushing up across northern parts of the country too. That means it may be a bit of a stormy day for Brisbane, particularly early on. More settled weather is once again expected for southern parts of Western Australia and much of South Australia, but conditions will remain cooler than average in most areas. Now you can find the detailed weekend forecasts for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bon Weather app and via our social media. Have a good weekend and we'll catch you next time.